Floater, no. Here comes Serapika, pass number 11, still. Bonita, up and under, and basket. High shot para kay Jai Bonita. Serapika gets a foul. First shot para kay Tyler. Second shot. Tyler is good. Sanchez, side step, gets the foul. The shots for Joaquin Sanchez. Pass to Loki. Cruz. Running shot. Short. Rebound by Loki. Block from behind. Another block for Tyler. Oopsie. Ang laking Tyler doon. Foul. Ateneo basketball. Out of bounds. Cruz to Joaquin. Joaquin 4-3 short. Rebound by Tyler. Ow, steal. There's a foul. Timeout. Time remaining 6 minutes and 6 seconds. Tingnan natin huddle ating coach. Hindi, ano siya, yung... Magkano? Alamin ko nga mamaya, kuya. Pag PM. Mamaya. Joaquin, pass to Loki. Pass to Abonita. Binigay. Number 16, 4-3. No. Rebound. Number 26. Missed it. Ay, nakakatineo. Oh. Nakakalisot na naman. Nakakatineo. Abonita 4-2. No. Out of bounds. Oh, it's 4-3. Wala. By Loki, 1-on-1, Cruz, and one. What a smart move for Loki Cruz. Get the contact. Bonus shot for Loki Cruz. Ba't iba yung koro? Manila nakasip po. Nakasip po Manila. Fisher score 29-22. Abonita. Pass to Loki. Pass to Jai. Back to Loki. Binigay sa corner. Bounce pass. Joaquin. Out of bounds. By Sanchez, Joaquin, odd step, and one. Basket count, may kasama pang foul for Joaquin Sanchez. Bonus shot for Joaquin. Basket is good. Lagi na ba score? Di pa na. 27. Ano lagi na ba kanina? Okay, time out. Ateneo, 25-29. 4-point lead para sa Ateneo. Back to the ball game. Ateneo basketball. Almost steal by number 26. Pass to Sanchez. To Jai. Jai, pass to Loki. 4-3. Short. Rebound. Sanchez. There's a foul for Joaquin Sanchez. Basket. Unang bulls the slope for Joaquin Sanchez. Second shot. Basket is good. Aba na lamang sa dalawa. Ang inahabol ng Lasal. 29-27. Oh, steal! Jai! Gets a foul. Lasal Green Hills basketball. Jai, 4-3. No! Rebound ng Ateneo. Oh, steal! Here comes Loki. Akin na to. Tabla na tayo sa 29. 29 all. Another steal. Pero naka-recover ang Ateneo. Number 13. Nagmamadali. Bigay. Oy! Out of bounds. Lasal Green Hills basketball.
Jai, sure.
Cruz, didiskarte, pass to Jai. Pinasa sa corner. Fake, pass to Jai. Jai, bounce pass to Loki. Cruz. Cruz, kick out, 4-3. In and out, rebound. Jai, no good. Oh, steal, almost. Naka-recover ang Ateneo. Last 20 seconds. Out of bounds. 19 seconds. Bilis ng oras, no? Last 19 seconds. Bola ng Lasal. Here comes Loki. Cruz. Ayan na ang double team. Pass to. Drop pass. Sanchez. Walang tawag. Rebound na katawan. Ateneo. 5, 3, 2, 1. At dito na po. Nagtatapos. Uy. Muntikan pa. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official scores all 29. Good defense para sa ating Lasal Green Hills. Alright, tayo dadawa na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Muntikan pa. Pumasok yun. Ay,
Ano oras na? 12:30, sakto.
12:30.
Kaya alauna. Pati na yung ulo ng shoot, kahit isa. Ubus yung lamang.
Tabla na tayo. Ayan na. All 29. Kaya lang dudes ha. Kunin ko na yung gamit ko. Wait lang. Shoutout po kay Jason De La Cruz from anong team niya? JMZ Basketball. Ayan, Jason De La Cruz. Happy birthday po. And happy viewing sa ating live coverage. Cruz, spin move, drop pass, Jai. Oy, remiss it, rebound. Sanchez, kick out. Number 16, pass to Cruz from the corner for 3. Bang! 3 point for Loki Cruz. Ayan na, change favor, lamang na ang Lasal. Number 10 gets the foul. What a bull shot. Walang kaabog-abog doon si Loki. May lisensya naman tumira ng 3. Ayan na, number 4. Pass to number 13. Pinigay kay number 4. Didiskarte. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 13. Pinasa loob. Lao. Out of bounds. Good defense para kay Villegas. Sorry. Number 55. Las Malahaja rather. Ayan na si Jai. Abonita. Steal by Tyler. Ayan na si number 5. Nagmamadali. Number 5. Steal by Jai. Steal by number 13. Oy! Nakabawi ang Ateneo. Pero lamang pa rin ng isa ang Lasal. 31-32. Oopsie. And gets the foul. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Cruz. Matanga na bola. Cruz. Ayan na ang double team. Cruz. Oh. That's a pushing foul. Green ball. Remaining time 7 minutes and 16 seconds. Jai for 3. No. Rebound by Balahaja. Pass to Sanchez. Joaquin spin. Running shot. No. Out of bounds. Blue ball. Here comes Ateneo. Number 15. Steal by Jai. Pass to Loki. Loki. Pass to Joaquin. Pass to Abonita. To Loki. Setting on the play. 12 seconds to shoot. Loki. Crossover. Top of the key for 3. No. Rebound. Nakakuha ni Jai. Jai. Oh. And gets the foul. Grabe. Jai Abonita shooting on the line for Lasal Green Hills. First shot para kay Jai. Basket is good. Balik sa dalawang lamang ng Lasal. Wala.
Go Tyler!
Rebound by Tyler. Here comes Ateneo. Number 13.
Just stay here. I'll stay here. I'll stay here.
To number 5. Number 4. Looking for his teammate. Oy! That's a backcourt violation. Good defense for LaSalle. Time remaining 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Sanchez may tangan na bola. Pass to Floki. Cruz to Jai. Random shot. Uy! Too strong. Rebound. Balahaja. He missed it. Floki with a putback. 35-31. Balik sa apat. Ang lamang. Ayan na. Serapika. Atake. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha. Uy, good hustle by Balahaja. Excuse me po. Oh! Out of bound. LaSalle Green Hills basketball. Time remaining 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Cruz setting on the play. Cruz pass to Jai. Jai for 3. No good. Rebound by Balahaja. Pass to Cruz. Loki. Court cross pass. Sanchez. Walang tawag. Balahaja will recover. Still by number 13. Number 13 nagpapadali. Derecho. At nakalusot na nga sa number 13. That is Samson. Jai. Pass to. Oy! Block by number 13. Samson nagmamadali. Samson up and under. Grabe yun. Nakalusot. Pinaikot-ikot ang bola. Tabla tayo sa 35. Samson. One shot for a 3-point play. 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Samson. Wala. Rebound. Number 15. Too strong. Tyler. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Sanchez. Sanchez to Cruz. Ayan na ang double team. Cruz. Out of bound. Same ball. Green. Ayan na. Sino tatanggap? Number 3 ang mag-inbound. Ayan na, double team kay Loki. Nakukulong na. Ganda ng laban na to. The rivalry. Ayan na, makakuha ni Sanchez. Pass to Jai. Jai. Atake. Rally shot. Oy! Offensive foul! Grabe. Offensive foul ang tawag. Time remaining 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Bola ng Ateneo. Number 15. Pass to number 5. Ayan na sa number 2. Bounce pass. Serapika. Wala. Rebound. Serapika. Ayan na, nabitawan. Steal by Sanchez. Sanchez out and pass. Ayan na. Number 3. Derecho. Iligay. Uy. Oh! Out of bound. Save ball. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Bola ng LaSalle. Jai ang mag-inbound. Sino tatanggap? Binigay kay Sanchez. Sanchez to Jai. Jai to Cruz. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh! That's a Traveling violation ang itinawag. 1 minute and 55 seconds left. Bola ng Ateneo. Ayun na. Ligay kay number 5. Oh, steal by Sanchez! Joaquin! To Jai! Jai, maitatawid! Jai, atake! Binigay! Balahaja, block! Balahaja, pass number 3. Cruz from the corner! No! Rebound by Ateneo! Steal by Cruz! Cruz! And gets a blocking foul! Oh my! Let's go! Time remaining 1 minute and 24 seconds. Crucial free throw for Loki Cruz. Let's go, Loki.
Boys! Boys! Push! Go!
Wala pa pala tayong penalty. Ayan na, si number 3, looking for his teammate. Pass to Cruz. Cruz, ni diskarte. 20 seconds. Cruz, high pick up, drop pass. Out of bounds. One minute and 14 seconds. Balahaja, steal by Samson. Samson, nagmamadali. Samson, ayan na, didiskarte, may foul ang itinawag ang ating referee. That is Joaquin Sanchez making that foul. Time out. Wala. Time out. Ateneo. 1 minute and 1 second. 35 all. Wala na naman yung live ko. Lolo ko talaga internet, no? Pero na-save ko naman po yan. I-ano na natin sa YouTube po, ah. .1 seconds remaining. Bola rito ng Ateneo. 35 all. Ayun na. Hand off to Samson. Samson. Pass number 5. To number 15, 4-3, wala, rebound, makakuha rito ni Jai, steal, Samson to number 5. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound by Joaquin. And gets the foul. Last 37 seconds on the game clock. Crucial free throw for Joaquin Sanchez. Masusubukan ng free throw si Joaquin. Let's go, Joaquin. First shot is good for Joaquin Sanchez. Second shot for Joaquin. Basket na naman. 2 for 2 for Joaquin Sanchez. Ayun na. Last 37 seconds. Lamang ng dalawa. Ang Lasal. Number 15 for 3. Oh! Oh my! What a dagger! Grabe. Time out, Lasal, Green Hills. Grabe yun. Dinigla tayo. What a 3-point. Woo! Tingnan natin ang Adel ng Lasal. Lamang ang Lasal ng Ateneo ng isa. Pumasok yun eh.
Yung kanina yung dalawang try niya, ay kung isang po kanina, pumasok yun, eh, 13 na, tapos ngayon pumasok 41 na sana kami.
Ayun na, 20 seconds left. Sino tatanggap? Pinigay. Sanchez, pass to Jai. Jai, bang! Oh my! Technical? Ah, time out, time out, time out. Hindi, wala po, time out pala. Oh my goodness! Last 24.8 seconds. 39, 38. Grabe yan. Let's go! "24 seconds left. 39, 38. Bola ng Ateneo. Sino tatanggap? Kaya na. Trigay. Pass to Tyler. Nabitawan. Samson. Oh my goodness. basket is good for Samson. 18.1 seconds remaining.
Haba pa.
Grabe. Let's go, Animal Lasal. Let's go. Di pa tapos ang oras, tikita lang ang laban. Loki Cruz, lalabas ang mola. Binigay kay Sanchez. Oh, steal! Ayan na, number 2, visit. Rebound by Sanchez. Sanchez, good. Tara, 9, 8, 7. Cruz, may tayo na bola. Cruz, pass, bala, Haja! I-visit! Tira! Ayan na! There's a foul! May foul ba?
Hoy! Tawag lang!
Oh my! Alright, our final score 39-40. What an intense game from both team. Grabe ang laban na yun. Congratulations Ateneo winning this game kontra sa ating Lasal Green Hills. Final score 40-39. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone. Bro, wait lang bro.